cauliflower, garlic. I'm gonna steam it. Lid on. Into a food processor. Light sour cream, butter, salt and pepper. And it just has a beautiful texture, so similar to potato. Into a bowl and topping with some chives and just a little bit of olive oil. And here is our beautiful mashed cauliflower. I'm telling you, it's so good. And look at how beautiful this texture is. Seriously, so much like potato.
Okay, so this is how I make my homemade chicken salad.
Chicken is shredded. Let's go ahead and add it to our bowl.
Add 1 cup of mixed veggies. This is all I had, but just find one without corn. 2 heaping tablespoons of mayo.
And now we have our sour cream.
You'll need 2 tablespoons as
I'm
well.
gonna do this one-handed. Real salt. A teaspoon of chicken bouillon. A little garlic powder.
And now we mix.
And it needs a tiny little bit of salt.
And that's my recipe. For an easy recipe, you have to try this.
How you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da. How you like that? How you like that? Da 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 da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
Have you ever tried a keto tamal? You're gonna start by charring your poblano chilies, put them in a bag to sweat and then peel. Now dice and saute a large onion, season with a little chicken bouillon, chop a little jalapeno for that spicy life, then combine the cheese, the peppers, jalapenos to get this delicious filling. Next, spread your keto masa and the corn husk. Now add your cheese filling, you're gonna roll it up and cook for 1 hour. And here you have a delicious cheesy keto tamal. This tastes like the real deal, you have to try it. Step by Step is on my YouTube channel at Low Carb Love. Have you ever tried this shredded chicken hack? You start by boiling your chicken. I use chicken breasts. You can immediately throw it into your stand mixer. Oh, and you can also use a hand mixer. You literally whip for like 30 seconds. It's the quickest and easiest way to shred chicken. Did you already know about this hack? Now let's make fajitas. Let me know if you want me to share my recipe. Have you ever had a keto milk bread? You're gonna start by adding your almond milk, your butter, eggs, sweetener, instant yeast, and whisk. Now add your wet ingredients into your keto wheat flour, mix together and now knead. After kneading, you create your dough ball and now we let it rest. Your dough will rise and you punch it. You'll have to roll out your dough and then slice. You're gonna place it into your baking sheet and then you're gonna do an egg wash and now bake for 20 minutes. And they're perfectly golden brown. And now we add our glaze. This texture is everything. Step by Step is on my YouTube channel at Low Carb Love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making a delicious fried chicken recipe. This is like a KFC dupe, their traditional recipe. I grew up eating this chicken, so guys, trust me when I tell you that it's gonna be absolutely delicious.